Hi guys, and welcome. In this video we'll talk about Vauld platform. This platform is very interesting. It will give you some of the best APY on the market. It has great interface, it has great usability. We will go through that in the next few minutes, but first let me state that this video is not a financial advice. This is only for educational purposes, and everything is linked down below in the description. And let's get into the video. So guys, here we are on the platform. As you can see, very clean and simple interface. You have everything in place as you would expect it, and you can get started with iOS or Android or desktop. And let's start here. We're here with the home page, very clean. As you can see here, everything is easy and quite intuitive. As you scroll down, you will see the interesting part of this platform. It's an investment platform, and it will give you the best APY on the market, or some of the best APYs on the market. Very competitive out there, and they have some of the really best interest rates. As you can see here, you can earn interest on your crypto investments, and you can actually get weekly payouts, meaning that you can get your money out of your investment portfolio on a weekly basis, and you can also withdraw anytime you want. No kind of no strings attached, nothing to worry about here. And the fixed term deposits as well, and of course they have the compounded. Everything will be automatically compounded for the next week if you would choose this option to be activated. And as you can see here, that's the APY rates. Actually, I had a look at it and it's quite impressive. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently at 6.7%. The nearest competitor, I would say, it's like 4.2% or so. So that's a very huge advantage for them. And as you can see, Ethereum as well, USDT 12.6%, around 9% for competitors, and BNB 1%, Cardano 4%, XRP 6.7%. Things are quite competitive over here, and you can just start earning. You need to, however, to verify your account. You need to sign up. I mean, it's quite simple process, and you need to also identify yourself. You need a proof of identity and a proof of address to start using this platform. However, it's quite simple, and you can actually accelerate the process. If you have some crypto lying around on another platform, you can simply transfer them into your account over here, or your wallet over here, and you're set to go without confirming your identity. You can do that later, but you won't be able to withdraw until you prove your identity. So as you can see here, no hidden fees, nothing. It's an instant approval once you get your loan. I mean, it's just literally instant. In like 5 minutes or so, everything is set to go and everything is ready, and the payback is just any time. So you have the peace of mind that you can get your money at any time you want. For instance, if you want to buy something, if you want to liquidate some money, if you want some fiat currency and you want your money out, so you can just deal with it as you want. So as you can see here, borrow now, you can just also borrow some money. You can also pay some interest rate for other people. And as you can see here, the trading, they also have the trading portion of the website or the interface, and you can have some peace of mind as well because they have insurance. They have the insurance with one of their partners. So let's go to their partners here, and you will see that BitGo is the custody partner, and they have the insurance with BitGo, and also they have the partnership with Coinbase Ventures. Of course, some big names over here, but of course Coinbase is shiny over there. Once you see Coinbase, you will see that this is meaning business. That means that you can have at least some peace of mind that things will be great. Also about us, if you want to inform yourself about the company, it's from Singapore. It's 2019 they started the whole process. And the enterprise APYs is automated investment program, or automated program for investment, and everything is just very simple and easy to use. And as you can see here, you can track your fund, you can earn interest on your fund, and create multiple wallets. Everything is kind of all in one place as a lending and earning platform. And for you also as a big company, not only for individuals, for funds, for companies, for big investors, they can make use of this platform, and they can have the peace of mind because everything, as I told you, is insured. As you can see also, they have in the interface over here the market, so you can have a glimpse of what's going on. I mean, instead of going to another platform, you can just have everything here at your fingertips. As you can see, the BTC USD currently is plus 450. It's just changing every single second. And as you can see here, the 24 hours high for Bitcoin is 30,000.3 or 30.3 thousand US dollars, and the lowest was 28.6. So at least you can have the scanning of the market, see what's going on, and you can decide whether you want to enter, exit, invest, disinvest, or just liquidate. You can deal with all your money as you wish. The rates over here as well is kind of of summarizing everything for you in one simple place with a very kind of table format, so you don't get lost in all the disarrangement for the market. And as you can see, Bitcoin is currently at 4.6, and the fixed deposit rate, the APY, as I showed you in the interface, is 6.7. So that's quite competitive. That's actually one of the biggest industries. That's one of the highest in the game, and this will be quite beneficial for you as well. Something also worth mentioning over here is the Twitter account. They have a quite decent Twitter account, 18.6 thousand followers. Everything of course is linked down below, so you can check it out, you can get involved, you can get more information, and you can get things rolling. As you can see here, they have quite a decent account. They are quite interactive, they are posting regularly what they're on about, and you can get all the information you need once you follow their socials as well. And as I told you through the video, they have the best rates for APY. That's just insane. I've compared them personally with some other competitors on the market, and things are way better over here. So as I told you, I would highly invite you to get the link down below and check it out and get yourself more and more involved, and get yourself involved in this platform if you're interested in crypto investment or crypto interests. So that's a great platform to start with. So guys, in a nutshell, we went through Vauld platform. This platform has it all. It has the greatest APYs on the market. It's very simple and easy to use. It's very easy to set up as well. You just need to prove your identity and your address, and you're set to go, and everything will be at your fingertips. If you found this video any interesting, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave any comments you might have in the comments below, and see you next one. Bye bye.